It's Margarita, and we are taking it back to the house of Navitus Parfums with Amour Infinite. Y'all, AI the Great has done it again. She has just released her third fragrance with the House of Navitus, and let me tell you, I could not be more excited for a new fragrance. I didn't even know that this fragrance was coming out until maybe a day or two before it was released, and that's only because I happened to wander onto social media and saw it in her chat group. I am someone who does not spend much time on social media, and when I do log on, it's only for a quick moment to check some things and then I'm off. But I'm so glad that I scrolled through my messages and saw that. That's it. The moment it dropped, I could not wait to get it. And when I read the notes, I just knew I was gonna love it. This beautiful insert came with the fragrance, and it's described as modern, elegant, and romantic. The top notes are Italian bergamot, red fruits, pomegranate, pineapple, and grapefruit. Heart notes of orange blossom, honeysuckle, rose, and jasmine, and base notes of white chocolate, Madagascan vanilla, heliotrope, driftwood, and sandalwood. Now let me tell you, these notes are an interesting combination, but when I saw the pineapple, the orange blossom, the white chocolate, vanilla, and sandalwood, I knew that I was gonna love something about this fragrance because those notes love me. But let's talk about this pink bottle, shall we? Oh my goodness, I love the color and the smell matches. If you like Mancera Roses Vanille, you will love this. I actually own that fragrance and I do not find that fragrance wearable. I don't like it. My husband actually has that one in his collection now. Another fragrance I do not care for is Creed Aventus, for her or for him. The patchouli, it just doesn't work for me. It bites. It actually goes masculine, both of them. And this is a better take on pineapple in my opinion. That one's a pineapple dominant fragrance. This to me smells like white chocolate dipped pineapples. Yes, it smells great. This is not your typical gourmand. This is your grown woman. I'm getting sexy gourmand. Now, the only fragrances I even own from Navitus are AIs. I have 3. Her first one, Ambrosia Imperial, which in another video, you will hear me describe this as the Mona Lisa of gourmands. Yes, it is that good. Amour Infinite, which has since grown on me, and I think it's because it had to sit for a while. Now I love it. It smells like apple Jolly Ranchers. And now there's this. I like this a lot. In fact, I wore it twice. I got this a couple days ago. The first day I wore it by itself to get the wear test. The only thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't have any projection or longevity on me. I always use that as a caveat on me because everyone's body chemistry is different. People amplify fragrance is different. To me, I wish that it would have projected more. That is my only issue with this. The smell is great. Again, chocolate dipped pineapples. Yeah. It smells wonderful. I just wish more people other than me could smell it when I wore this. So then yesterday I ended up layering this with Amour Infinite. Amour Infinite has great projection. So I'm thinking maybe that would have helped project. And the blend is wonderful. When you get that, like I said, the apple Jolly Rancher mixed with chocolate dipped pineapple. Yeah, that smells pretty good. So I got a little bit more projection, but the Amour Infinite took over more. So I was hoping this would maybe amplify more, but it didn't. So my only thing is I really wish that this projected more because it smells so good. But if you are going to be in more of a close encounter situation, or if you do not want a big scent bubble, if you want to just wear this, this is a great bedtime fragrance. I definitely recommend this. AI, you did a wonderful job on this. I am so glad to own this. If you haven't tried it or gotten your nose on it, what are you waiting for? And if you'd like to sample this or anything else in my collection, if I think it's worth sharing, it is on my website, whistlenotes.com. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, share this video with anyone else you think would love to hear about this fragrance or any other fragrances. It is my goal to grow this channel exponentially by the end of this year, and I need your help to do so. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.